Looking for birds pet supplies to buy on Black Friday? Luckily for you, we are here to help. Here are the best deals you should consider. And the best part? We did all the work for you. Just click this link below and get real-time prices and discounts on your favorite products. Number 1, by Kaytee. Bestseller in 2018. Check the link below, get real-time price drops. Number 2, by Doskocil. Click the link below now. Add your favorite directly to your cart, get real-time prices. Number 3, by Super Bird Creations. Get these great online offers now. Click this link below for real-time deals and updates. For real-time updates and price drops, just click this link below. Black Friday deals are already waiting for you.